Key decision makers need a good overview of operational and forecasted metrics. Here we present how Samara, the CEO, can act on major KPIs by simulating outcomes in an immersive environment to create a new strategy and make her decisions. She starts her virtual boardroom where it is possible to have a clear view of the financial strategy outlook with company KPIs compared with external benchmarks and industry trends. She begins by investigating the declining operating margin and worst performance region. In the regional view, she can interact with the company digital twin and verify the performance of different complexes. The area with the worst performance is highlighted. There, the cost per product is 7% higher than average, which is the major component for the operating margin decline forecast. She takes a deeper look into the company sites. Selecting the cost per product KPI, she identifies which site has the biggest impact to this index and decides to consult Andrea, the operation manager, to develop a strategy to improve this KPI at the production location. Andrea goes to the specific site's digital twin 3D representation and zooms into the diagram. In this new visualization perspective, the production process influencing cost per product results is highlighted. After analyzing numerous factors, reduced capacity utilization seems to impact the cost per product, causing it to go above company standards and market benchmarks. With the help of Business Decision Simulator, a capability of SAP Business Technology Platform, she has access to 3 influencers that she can manipulate to optimize the process and reduce the cost per product. She increases capacity utilization, creating a need for a new production layout and a revised process flow. Utilizing digital twin and 3D capabilities, Andrea can reshape the production layout, including an additional step to the process flow, increasing capacity utilization and enabling production cost reduction. Andrea can navigate and see multiple scenarios: realistic, optimistic, and conservative, as well as viewing the probability of each one happening. She sees how throughput can be improved and cost per product can be reduced by producing more products in a given time frame. After the changes are applied in the 3D environment, the operation manager calls in the site workers, where the process modification can be discussed and verified together in this virtual reality environment or through traditional means. The site workers identify that the process could also improve if partner performance increased. With the power of the hybrid business steering, it is possible to take operational knowledge into the strategy, ensuring that the changes are feasible and impactful. With the verification done, Andrea considers the suggestion and proceeds to verify if incorporating partner data and including an external factor in the simulation could bring value to the company and to the ecosystem. She invites a supply chain expert to a video meeting. She can see the flow in her notebook and decides to add a new factor for the external partners: lead time. She changes the average lead time, as she believes that by giving partner access to real-time data and to the relevant 3D digital twin can decrease this influencer. A new simulation runs for the process, showing a possible increase in the throughput and reducing the cost per product. Before finishing the process modification, Andrea wants to observe the impact of adding more partners to the flow and sharing this information with them. The inclusion of more partners in the cross-company workflow increases the probability of the optimistic scenario to happen, as well as reducing the cost per product in every scenario. As a final strategy verification, she wants to see if the new process would be feasible and bear with a demand increase. She changes the demand for the expected market average and runs a new simulation. Andrea reports the findings and new strategy to the CEO. Looking back to Samara's view, they discuss about adding more partners and how this could benefit the ecosystem. They schedule a meeting to negotiate new agreements and data sharing scenarios. The team discusses with different partners how they can join the network, share data, and improve their partnership flow. By taking part in this immersive representation, partners can only see the information that is relevant to them, what is highlighted in each partner corresponding color. In this immersive world, multiple partners can join the session, each with their specific view of the process. During this new agreement phase, it is still possible to change the factors and run real-time simulations already considering the new data. Samara takes back all of this information to her virtual boardroom. She verifies that by adjusting the factory layout and changing the production process, with the help of Business Decision Simulator and cooperating with partners using cross-company collaboration, the operating margin is forecasted to increase. She can share this new strategy via the virtual boardroom in the upcoming company board meeting. The hybrid business steering use cases are enabled through services out of SAP Business Technology Platform that orchestrates data from SAP solutions, external engines and applications, as well as industry-specific components such as 3D models, avatars, digital twins, with a focus on partner development.